Imagine a school where every student has the opportunity to thrive. A school with bright, airy classrooms, cutting-edge technology, and modern science labs. A school where students feel inspired in every space. Unfortunately, that's not the reality for many. While some Tennessee students attend classes in schools that are state-of-the-art, many Memphis students attend classes in buildings that are in a state of repair. Across the county, it's a tale of two classrooms. And some Memphis students share that they bear the burden of aging buildings.
I would say that it's kind of demoralizing when you go into a school and it looks a certain way and you go here every single day, and this is a high school. Like, you go here every single day and you're like, I actually go here.
It could be better. It could be a lot better, you know, coming from, you know, different parts of the city. I've seen better, you know, with the hallways and the lockers. Me being an athlete, the gym, you know, we just got the wax in the main building, but the PE gym, it could need some improvement. Also, the football field could need some improvement.
The average age of a school building in Memphis is 64, nearly twice as old as schools in the municipalities. On average, Memphis schools are 24 years past their lifespan. A report by the National Center for Education Statistics stated after 40 years, a school building begins to rapidly deteriorate. And after 60 years, most schools are abandoned. Memphis-Shelby County Schools has more than $500 million in deferred maintenance. That's about $5,000 in building needs per student. This means that there are hundreds of critical repairs that must be made to schools across the district to give the students the science labs, sports fields, media centers, and classrooms that they deserve.
So I've been working for the district for 16 years, and over that time I've seen the funding not increase, but the needs definitely increase. When you ignore or can't afford to fix roofs or gyms or HVACs or ceilings and floors, then those needs fester and they compound and they cause more problems, which escalates the cost. So the biggest challenge is simply the magnitude of the needs versus the limited funding we receive.
The role that industry experts and community leaders will play in this plan is bringing their expertise to the table. We know that we can't do this work alone. We know that there are some vital things in each and every community, and it's unique. Every community is totally unique from another community, and we know that industry experts can come to the table and bring a level of expertise that will allow us to execute the plan, allow us to develop facilities, state-of-the-art facilities for our students and their needs.
Old schools, like old houses, are more expensive to care for. The cost of building upkeep will continue to grow unless there is a bold commitment from all levels of government, city, county, state, and federal, to renew our schools. We cannot say that our children are our future and remain silent while they learn in relics of the past. Memphis students deserve better. They deserve to learn in updated schools. We need to come together as a community to address our aging schools crisis and create a better future for all students.